Yep. Is your neighbor?
Well, we won't say him a neighbor. We don't want to get him in trouble. We'll just say that it's Monday.
He's local.
It's Monday, and this is what happens at the end of the day on a Monday on a hot, sunny day.
Yeah.
Hey, Chris! It's burnout time! Now this is, and people have seen this guy before in my videos, this is a stock 350 with just headers. I'm not lying, with a 5-speed. There's nothing done. No chips, no nothing. Go away from traffic.
Oh, I love that smell.
Oh, look at this guy stopping.
He can't see it. He can't see to go through. We got the thumbs up.
Oh, look at that.
That's not bad. That's not a bad patch. Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it?
All my friends are like, that stinks.
It's the best smell ever.
I know.
It is.
It is.
They need cologne.
Yeah, I know, right?
I know.
Burnt rubber cologne.
Burnt rubber and race.
Okay, burnouts are over. It's all good. Monday afternoon. What more can you ask for, right? So we're working on the 63 Chevy pickup. And what have we got doing today? You remember the top of the cab above the roof there, above the windshield was pretty rotten. Well, now we're into the inner rockers, the outer part of the floor, and the outer rockers. So let's take a look. So I've taken the rocker off. There's what's left. That's the inner rocker right there that you're looking at, and then of course from there it goes up to the floor. Now this gentleman bought, because the customer supplied me with some parts, he supplied me a part that's actually, see, it's part of the floor, comes down, it's your inner rocker, which would be this piece here, which you can see I've taped out to cut it off, because they all rust up in there. So it's kind of a half floor pan. Goes from the front to the back. You see the pocket right there going on, pocket right there going on. So I'm working on that right there. Chargers up in the air, trunk pans in, taken care of, wheel tubs, I don't know if you can see it here or not. It's not bad at all. Some people are asking what does it look like underneath. Well, here's the charger underneath. There's the floorboards. Nice and clean. Back of the subframe there. In good shape. So you can see, I don't know if you can see up in there. I cut it out, welded a piece in, butt welded a piece in there on the wheel tub. You see the trunk pan. Now this that you're seeing here, this is our weld through primer that I put on. Because as I was saying, the trunk pan, obviously right here, goes over top of this brace. So I don't just put it over top of that with bare metal. I put that weld through primer on there, so when I'm welding it on, it's got something rather than just bare metal. Of course, then we'll go around and we'll seam seal all these edges after. And then this gentleman's just going with a nice texture spray on the bottom half of the car. So there we go, the pan is in. You can see here, you can see I did a little rust repair up there, a little spot in the corner. That was about it. Other than that, you know, like I say, always grind away whenever you see rust. Don't go back like a quarter or an eighth of an inch. Even if it becomes shiny metal, I always go back at least another inch further up, just to make sure. So, but it's pretty damn clean underneath this car. Look at all that. I mean, I gave it a quick little cleanup underneath, obviously. I spent a little bit of time under here, but just wanted to see what it was like, because somebody commented and said, I bet you take a hammer to that thing, the floors are all soft and rotten, but you can see, look at that bare metal. I mean, it's, you know, still the original paint on there. That sucker's not going nowhere. So basically what I do is I knock it off with a wire wheel and a scraper, because I'm going to blast some areas, like I said, but I don't waste my time blasting over the grease and the grime, because it just fucks up my sand, because I try and reuse some of my sand, right? You know, I try and put like a tarp down and gather up the sand so I can get at least 2 or 3 uses out of it, because the shit's like 10 bucks a bag, and trust me, you know, you throw it in the blaster and you do a small area, it's gone in no time. So that's what's going on there. So that is what we are working on, people. So we got a bunch of other new projects out back, and that's it. I forgot to mention the The 56 Crown Victoria left. I forgot all about that one. I'll show you that one. Ran like a dream. Thanks to the engine builder out there. Did an awesome job. Local guy. It ran awesome. We fired it up. Never had any grief with it. I haven't heard from the lady. I said, hey, there you go. And so I think she's super happy with it. We'll find out. I told her after you get 500 miles on that bad boy, bring it back to me. We'd like to do an oil change for free. No labor. Just pay for the oil. Because we like to check the oil out and make sure we don't see any fragments in it, you know, and then you're good to go. Then you're on your normal routine oil changes after that. So I assume her grandson is driving it because she was giving it to her grandson. So if they're out there watching this video, thumbs up. Good luck to you. Hope it's all working out. And that is all. Except I do have one thing to say. Let's get it down here. I want to get it right. I want to get it right here. Well, maybe we'll do another. I don't know where it went. But we have a special request. Here we go. Scott Martin. Scott Martin wants me to shout out, give a big shout out to the Conrodders and the Stateside Car Club from, I hope I pronounced this right, from, I can't read Lisa's writing, from Dunedin, New Zealand, who are running a 34 Plymouth in Speed Week. Hey, 34 Plymouth, you're going to Speed Week? Buddy, whether you win or lose or break a record or not, you're at Speed Week in a 34 Plymouth. Big, huge thumbs up. All you guys out there in the car clubs, have a beer on me, man. Good luck. I wish you have the greatest time, whatever. I know it's going to be a hot one up there. Enjoy yourself. And from all of us at Old Time Garage, we wish you the most of luck. Be safe. Have a few wobbly pops, but only when you're sitting in a chair, not when you're driving. Okay, guys, remember, it's always a good time at Old Time. New t-shirts are on the way. We'll see you next time.